Torrential slide value equivalent to 347.30 rands a coin. The present cost range, 335.47, 350.84. The earlier day close, 337.53. The change was plus 9.77. Plus 2.89%. Converse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Cost 329 rands, high 352, low 306. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 367 rands, high 393. Low 341. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 377 rands, high 403. Low 351. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, February 23. Cost 372 rands, high 398. Low 346. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Cost 371 rands, high 397. Low 345. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, February 27. Cost 374 rands, high 400, low 348. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 379 rands, high 406, low 352. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, walk 1. Cost 331 rands, high 354. Low 308. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2. Cost 323 rands, high 346, low 300. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Friday, walk 3. Cost 350 rands, high 375, low 326. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, walk 6. Cost 343 rands, high 367. Low 319. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, walk 7. Cost 330 rands, high 353. Low 307. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8. Cost 323 rands, high 346. Low 300. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 9. Cost 319 rands, high 341. Low 297. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, walk 10. Cost 313 rands, high 335, low 291. Torrential slide figure on Monday, walk 13. Cost 350 rands, high 375, low 326. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14. Cost 350 rands, high 375. Low 326. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, walk 15. Cost 331 rands, high 354, low 308. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16. Cost 333 rands, high 356, low 310. In about a month torrential slide estimate on Friday, walk 17. Cost 323 rands, high 346. Low 300. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, walk 20. Cost 375 rands, high 401, low 349. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, walk 21. Cost 370 rands, high 396, low 344. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 342 rands, exorbitant cost 406, while low cost 299. The found the middle value of cost 357. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 379. Change for February 10.8%. Torrential slide estimate for walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 379 rands, excessive cost 447, while low cost 291. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 384. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 418. Change for spring 10.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 418 rands, excessive cost 519, while low cost 418. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 460. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 485, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 485 rands, exorbitant cost 485, while low cost 379. The found the middle value of cost 439. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 407. Change from May 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 407 rands. Exorbitant cost 407. While low cost 318. The found the middle value of cost 369. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 342. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 342 rands. Exorbitant cost 414. While low cost 342. The found the middle value of cost 371. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 387. Change for July 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 387 rands. Exorbitant cost 395. While low cost 343. The found the middle value of cost 374. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 369. Change for August 4.7%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 369 rands. Exorbitant cost 369. While low cost 288. The found the middle value of cost 334. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 310. Change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 310 rands. Exorbitant cost 385. While low cost 310. The found the middle value of cost 341. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 360. Change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 360 rands. Exorbitant cost 360. While low cost 281. The found the middle value of cost 326. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 302. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 302 rands. Excessive cost 302. While low cost 236. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 274. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 254. Change for December 15.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 254 rands. Excessive cost 254. While low cost 198. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 230. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 213. Change for January 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 213 rands. Excessive cost 236. While low cost 206. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 219. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 221.